Hi, my name is Wendy Pine. I'm a financial advisor with Protegro at Protegro.com. We're a holistic financial services firm. Today, I'm excited to talk about another one of the 4 basic annuities. If you had a chance or if you haven't seen them yet, the last few videos I've spoken about basic annuity terminology and definitions, as well as what a single premium immediate annuity is. So today's topic is about fixed annuities. Just to quickly recap, an annuity is an insurance product that can help people solve the problem of living longer than expected while they're in retirement. It also helps them stretch out their tax liability, and it can also help them put money aside either for retirement or other purposes. Fixed annuities pay a fixed amount of interest for a certain period of time. And some people prefer to put their money into this type of annuity because they provide more certainty. And because of that certainty, you know the exact interest rate that's going to be earned. Fixed annuities are considered to be secure financial products because of that certain interest rate they provide. And they're also exposed to less risk compared to some other financial products. However, with that being said, the guaranteed rate relies on the claims paying ability of the issuing insurance company, and it's important to consider that some fixed annuities must be kept for a certain number of years, and if money is withdrawn from the annuity during that time period, there could be a surrender charge. Also, please don't forget, don't take money out before you're 59 and a half, otherwise you get that 10% penalty. Lastly, in low interest rate environments, these fixed annuities aren't very attractive, and a lot of carriers stop providing them during these times. When interest rates start moving up, they become more popular again. These types of annuities are, again, subject to the early withdrawal penalty prior to age 59 and a half, so don't forget. I strongly recommend people to work with an advisor who has experience in designing these plans. And in particular, if you are ready to retire, talk to someone who can show you how to fill the gaps with bumps in pay as inflation increases. If you'd like an unbiased quote without any sales pressure, or you'd like help designing your policy, or maybe you'd like my free guide to the 3 keys to successful retirement planning, please email us at info@protegro.com. If you like this and you'd like to see other videos, please hit subscribe below. If you go to my website at protegro.com, I have some really awesome stuff on there, and I'd love for you to check it out and sign up for my newsletter. If you have other ideas for future videos, please email us at info@protegro.com. It's been such a fun time talking to you today. Until next time, take care.